Welcome to this week's video blog. This week I want to talk a little bit about content and creating it in the right way to drive traffic to your website. Now this is going to be a great little blog for anyone who's either using their website to help build their affiliate team or maybe even for your own personal business outside of GDI. These are tips that's going to help anyone who has their own website. So starting off, content rules, content is king. We talk about this often, that the content you put on your website, whether it's text or a video or a blog post, it needs to be written in a way that's really going to drive traffic and keep traffic on your blog. So content is great, but it needs to be the right kind of content. So how do you make it the right kind of content? With stuff like keywords, search engine optimized posts, backlinks, and sharing that content. So these words and phrases definitely can be a little overwhelming, but they're super easy, and it's very easy to work into content you already have and content you're about to create. So I'm going to go through each one of these words and explain you how they work and how you can take advantage of them. So SEO, search engine optimization. Search engine optimization relates to organically increasing the chances of someone getting to your site through search. So what does organically mean in this sense, and how do you accomplish it? Organically means not paid advertising, and to accomplish this, it's using those right keywords and those right strands of words in your content, in your title, in your actual website name, so that when people search for those strands of words, you're going to come up. So that's why we'll talk about keywords. So first off, you need to decide what kind of keywords you want to attract people to your site. Do you want it to just be something like affiliate marketing, or something more specific, like maybe affiliate marketing in a certain state with a certain product with a certain team name? You can also go to the Google keyword tool, which I've linked to on the blog, and you can search what kind of keywords get the most searches through Google, and you'll find out what good terms are, where you have a lot of competition, and where people are searching for stuff. So again, you want your keywords to lie within your content naturally. You don't want to, pick out affiliate marketing or some other keyword and force it into your content so it sounds silly. You want it to naturally flow within your content, and it really needs to relate to the topics of your site and what's most relevant to your visitors. So you don't want to load up your blog, load up your website with words related to affiliate marketing, and then someone gets to your site and it has nothing to do with that. You want to use the right keywords, and you want it to be what your site is all about. So to figure out the right keywords, again, ask yourself what kind of visitors you want. Who do you want coming to your site? And then think of words and phrases that might attract them to you. So and you can go, there's a few different schools of thought with keywords. Some recommended short phrases, other people do long search phrases, and it's up to you. You can test this stuff out and really see what's driving traffic, and look at those hit logs in your members area and see the kind of traffic you're getting. WordPress also offers some keyword plugins as well that's going to help you figure out the keywords you need and how to put them all throughout your blog posts and in your tags and your categories. So two great options, the Google keyword tool, or if you're using WordPress, there's a bunch of plugins you can just search for in the plugins to add to your site. Backlinks are something that's super easy to get people to your site and to drive traffic. Backlinks are very simply any links coming into your site. So these are links shared by your friend, these are links shared on your social media sites, and backlinks help to raise your website search engine optimization, and it affects how your page is ranked in search. The reason this is important to search engines like Google is essentially these backlinks are kind of confirming that your site is legit, that other people find your site useful, and that people are linking into it because it's important, and they think they should rank it higher because of that. So a way to get more backlinks is to work within your team, have team members share your links, also share great content on social media and Facebook, and maybe ask people to share that or ask for a retweet so you're getting that link all over the place, or even just work with other people in your network to kind of set up a link sharing program where they share one of your links and you share one of theirs, providing you both with backlinks. So just get creative with sharing that content and getting it around so you can get more backlinks into your site and get yourself up higher in those search engines. And finally, create content worth sharing. That does a lot of this work for you. People are going to want to link into your site when you have stuff that's worth sharing. When you use the right keywords, people are going to find your website, find your blog, and share it. And when you've done these things, you'll end up higher in the search engines, and people will see your stuff first and want to share it. So think about great educational content that's really going to help your visitors, get them to stay on your site, and also share stuff. And you can start the sharing process right away by sharing it on Facebook, sharing your website on Twitter, and LinkedIn, on Pinterest, so people are going to see it and maybe share it themselves. So those are 4 factors to driving traffic to your site and hopefully helping you build your team. Thanks for watching this week's video blog.